Hi, welcome to IITG with Desker, and today's topic is literally a small topic which is some mathematical facts. And the mathematical facts means quite it's a quite a law of our joke thing. Okay, mathematical fact. What is if you dividing by zero, what we get? Why it is infinity? And that is a today's topic. Topic is dividing by zero. So before getting to the main topic, and we'll discuss something important. And what is multiplication mean? Multiplication mean a repeated adding. You must have to know this. Multiplication means repeated adding. And I will give example why this. If see, for example, 5 into 3 is equals to 15 means 5 plus 5 plus 5. See, if we add 3 times 5, we get 15. Means repeated adding. Adding is multiplication. And what is division? Division means repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. See, for instance, example, again 15 divided by 3, we get 15 divided by 3, we get 5. Why 5? In 15, if we divide 5 3 times, we get 0. That's why 5 is the answer. See, repeated subtraction means we have to subtract the thing to become the answer is 0. That is division means repeated subtraction, and multiplication means repeated adding. And how many times can I subtract that nothing left? Division means how many times. How many times can I subtract? Can I subtract that nothing left? That nothing left. That is nothing but division. See, and by this you can get some idea why dividing by 0 is infinity. See, for example, let's divide 1 by 0. Why? How many times can I divide 0? Means how many times can I subtract 0 in 1 that I can get the answer nothing left? Means 0 minus 0 minus 0, so on so on. How much time can I subtract in 1 the zeros that I can get that nothing left? So we get nothing, so that is infinity, some infinity. Okay, some infinity. This is a small thing that behind the dividing by 0 we get infinity. So many members that don't know, so this is a small video about this, and I can give one more example about this. See, for instance, take 1 by 1 equal to 1, and 1 by 0.1 we get 10, and 1.0.01 we get 100, 1 by 0.001 we get 1000, 1 by 0.0001 we get 10,000. See, like that, how much we go to 0 we get infinity. Here the value is increasing, the zero is increasing, the value also here increasing. That's why anything divided by 0 is infinity. Means here 1 by 0 we get infinity, that is undefined. What is undefined means that no number we pick that gives sense, the which we if we pick the number. See, if 1 by 0 we pick some number like 5, it doesn't give the sense to the value, so we put undefined. So anything divided by 0 is undefined, that is infinity. And you must know this, must be you know about this. And division means repeated subtraction, where multiplication means repeated adding. If anybody asks you what is multiplication, you must have to know, you must have to tell them that multiplication is a repeated adding, while division is a repeated subtraction. You must give this example, this, so they can understand more. And this is today's video, and I'm also making the video that is JEE one shot videos about matrices and determinant. They are in the progress, and I will definitely upload in possible time. I was already done the video, but due to some network issues I was not uploading. I will definitely upload it. Thank you. And give a small note, please subscribe IITJEE with DS, and please share it with your friends, and please like, share and comment below in which topic you was making problem. You can most comment on the video and down. Thank you.